Sumifs function sums the range based on multiple condition or criteria. So this is our given table. This is ID field, this is department, this is section, and this is salary. Now our question is, we have to find sum of salary given to programmer whose section is A. So first condition is the person should be a programmer, and second condition is programmer's section should be A, not B or C or any other. So sumif function will go like this, equals to sum IFS, within bracket I have to calculate total salary. So I'm selecting salary, columns range, comma. Now first condition is that the person should be a programmer. So from department field I'm selecting department's range, and from this department range I want programmer. Second condition is the section of this programmer should be A. So I have to select section, column, range, and the section of this programmer should be A. I have to give comma, and section should be A. So this is the total salary given to programmer whose section is A. Same way, I want sum of salary given to manager whose section is A, equals to sum F, within bracket I have to calculate total salary. So I am selecting salaries range, comma, first criteria ranges from department, I have to select department's range, comma, from this department I want manager, I have selected manager, comma, I have to select section range, this is the section range, and from this section range I want that managers should be from section A. This is section A. So this is the total salary given to manager whose section is A.